Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring Peppa Pig and Suzy Sheep play hula hoop. Let's start drawing. First I draw Peppa Pig starting with her eyes. Draw 2 circles outside, then draw a small circle inside like this. Then I draw her nose. I draw her smiling mouth and a cheek under her eyes. On her head, I draw a bow like this. Draw 2 ears. Then I draw her body, starting with her hands. I draw a waist hula hoop like this. Then I draw her tail and her legs. Peppa Pig is wearing sneakers. On her dress, I drew the shape of a star like this. Next to her, I draw Suzy Sheep, starting with her eyes. Then I draw her smiling mouth and her cheek. Suzy also has a bow on her head like Peppa. Draw 2 ears. Then I draw her body. Draw 2 hands. And draw a waist hula hoop. Draw her tail. I draw a circular pattern on her dress like this. Then I draw her to legs. Suzy is also wearing sneakers. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use sky blue to paint Peppa's bow. Then I color her waist hula hoop yellow, dark blue, red. I color her dress with pink and light purple. Then I color Suzy Sheep, starting with this pink marker to paint her nose and her bow. Dark blue. For her waist hula hoop, I use pink. Sky blue. I use dark blue and red to paint her sneakers. Gray. Pink. Peppa Pig and Suzy Sheep are close friends. I also have a close friend. What about you? Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.